Hi guys, it's Stacie-Ann and this is Master of the Mixed Drinks. Today I'm gonna make one of the crowd favorites. All my friends love it, I love it, my staff loves it. We're gonna do a Old Faithful. We call it Old Faithful because it is very faithful to our night, to whatever we got going on, and to you and whatever you got going on. It includes Palma, which is a pomegranate liqueur, Patron, which is great for all your bad decisions and your good ones, and then a little sweet lime juice and some Sprite to settle it down a little bit. Gonna do 1.5 ounces of Patron because I plan on sharing it after I make it. I'm gonna do the same amount with this here Palma. See, I pour a little extra on that. You don't need that much. And then do a little lime juice. It's really just like a 3 count. I ain't counting to you because I counted it in my head. That's important. A little Sprite. You don't need that much Sprite. The Palma already sweetens up and it tones down that strong taste in the Patron anyway, to me. With a little Sprite. We're gonna put some ice in, my friends. Cool it down, because really, honestly, nobody likes a warm shot. I know I don't. Take it up. Make it nasty. Y'all see that? You saw that, right? Saw that, right? Okay. Just making sure. And I have a taste tester coming in a second, but I'm pouring 2 because now I want one, of course. What's one without the other? And this is the Old Faithful. And so my trusty friend here, Han, has joined me. He loves a good drink. He loves my good drinks. Love you, friend. All right, so he's gonna try this here Old Faithful. And I'm gonna have one with him because I always try it. How's that make you feel on the inside? Cool and hot at the same time.
It's real sweet, real sour. It's real good. It's like pink lemonade almost.
Almost. But it's like shit. Yeah, you put some hair there on your chest. Never mind. Guys, Stacie-Ann here. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe. Master of the Mixed Drinks on YouTube. Also, you can find me on IG at Raggedy Ann or Tribeca Lounge. And that's a wrap.